In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly add social media icons to your Figma designs using a free plugin. Start by opening your Figma file and navigating to the page where you want to add the icons. Next, open the Actions menu by pressing Command+ on Mac or Control+ on Windows. In the search bar, type Plugins and Widgets and open it. Now search for Material Design Icons and run the plugin. If it's your first time using it, install the plugin first. Once the plugin opens, use the search bar to look for the social media icon you need, such as Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, YouTube, or TikTok. Select the icon you want and insert it into your Figma canvas. The icon will appear as an editable vector object. You can resize the icon, change its color, and position it anywhere in your design, just like any other Figma element. Repeat the process to add additional social media icons and create a complete social icon set for your website, app, or marketing design. If you can't find a specific icon, try searching with the platform name directly instead of using the term social media. And that's it. You've successfully added social media icons to your Figma project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.